I am the Girl Gardener and this is my cottage garden. I don't live in a cottage, it's just a cottage garden and it's 6 years in the making. So here's the back of my garden, and if you remember before, my compost bins used to be here. I had 3 compost bins at the back, and then what I wanted to do was just kind of improve the composting station a little bit. I felt that it was quite cramped at the back over here along with the water butts, so I got another one from Facebook Marketplace and then I put the 4 here, which works really well. If you watch my previous videos, I explain sort of how I do everything. Starts here, there, and you know, all of that stuff. But now I also want to improve my water collection. So we have these 4 water butts, and what I did was I added these kind of, I don't know what these are called, sorry, but I added these on so that once one water butt fills up, the water will trickle through to the next one and the next one. However, I can't actually get into these because this is kind of sealed. I can get water from out of here, and I had a pump, but we've gone through a few pumps and they've broken. So what I want to do is have an IBC tank at the back over here. It's big. This area is big enough to have an IBC tank. It's not always easy to kind of tell how big a space is on a video, but it's big enough to have an IBC tank. So that's what I want to do, and then what I'll do with these tanks, because they do have water in them, I will have to empty them out because the water's been sat in these 2 for such a long time, just stagnant, doing nothing. So I'm going to have to empty those out, empty that one and then start again, which I don't mind. We'll just use all of this water to water like the polytunnel, the greenhouse, that sort of stuff, and then I'll just probably put them on Facebook Marketplace for free. If nobody wants to take them, I'll just take them to our local tip. But that's my idea. I've been in touch with someone who has IBC tanks for sale on Facebook Marketplace, and they've done me a price to deliver one here. They said that they were supposed to be coming today, but we'll see. I don't know if they are coming today. You know how people say that they'll come and then they don't? They said, I'll come at some point on Sunday, and it's Sunday, so it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we'll see if they pull through. Are you following me? Are you following me? Hmm? Oh, sorry. other than that, can we just appreciate what a beautiful sunny day it is today? It's absolutely beautiful. Still tiny bit nippy. It's the wind. The wind is a bit cold, but aside from that, it's looking beautiful and it's dry. Finally, dry weather in what feels like forever. This is the corner that I want to plant my Californian lilac in. So it's not going to be too close to the fence, but I thought I'd put it in sort of like the corner, and it can of course grow straight up. And I've got these old kind of greenhouse poles that I'm going to join together just to add some support, because it is a very thin kind of tree. And I think, yeah, I can plant it out now because the conifer has gone. I did bring the holly tree down as well. It was a very thin tree, and I didn't like that they were so close to the fence, and they were just so tall and thin they'd sway in the wind. So we had that one removed. I cut that one down, and that's here. And now I can just plant this one up as well and just add a support. have some growth coming up on these now. It's already starting to bud. I think it looks great since I've planted it out, so really pleased with that. It's an absolute shame. The crocus are just completely ruined by the rain. I think they looked nice for a day, and then that was it. That's a shame. And the person who was supposed to deliver the IBC tank, they did not turn up. They didn't turn up, didn't respond to my message, so I've messaged somebody else who has an IBC tank, and hopefully they'll be coming today. But we'll see. We'll see if they come today or not. And an update on the bulbs that I put planting out. They look amazing. They're growing beautifully, so I'll be able to take them out of this protective cage that I put them in from the squirrels running riot, and I'll be able to put them on the patio. I just want to clean the patio up first though. Still plenty of time for all of that. But yeah, I think that's all for this week. So I'm going to edit and upload this for you today, and then we'll start again fresh, hopefully next week. I haven't been motivated to do anything, honestly. But yeah, hoping that with the improving weather. Yeah. So anyway, see you next time.